must have seen you naked, without your powers and refrains. I must have kissed your lips and left my stain. I may be not the one to whom you glance with endless pride, but darling, you have seen me so wide. For how long shall I wait? Soon, my dear, I'll leave the state. In my tight hand, a bottle of wine. For too long I've been wasted, and not a single drop I've tasted. And with my left, I'm ready to sign whichever papers to set me free. I'd sell my soul, honey, for a chance to be free as a sea wave, free as a dove, free as a lope in any love. I must have heard you crying, glittering tears from bitter eyes, and with a hug I now have your shape and size. I'm maybe not your man, the one escaping from your plan, but in my mind I must see you again. For how long shall I yearn? Soon, my dear, I should turn and come back from where I once came. For too long I've been trying, convinced I was flying. I must have mistaken sea for a sky. Whichever land I march insane, I find a sweet tree and hang your rain. Am I free as sea wave, or it's just a dream? I want to be free as a sunshine beam. Must have heard singing a Joni Mitchell song, or a Gritty Willie Nelson melody. I must have heard you whining like an Elvis gloomy tune, or a piece of Freddie's despair. I admit you're so free as a sea wave or more, and my prayers are ending someday. As my carpenter sailed and my Pavarotti wailed,